MarkApp Media Ltd, a prominent player in digital advertising and media technology solutions, proudly announces its successful registration as an approved vendor within the Transparency and Consent Framework, TCF, managed by IAB Europe. About IAB and IAB Europe. The Interactive Advertising Bureau, IAB, is a global organization that empowers the media and marketing industries to thrive in the digital economy. It provides industry standards, conducts research, and promotes best practices for digital advertising effectiveness and sustainability. IAB Europe, the European-level association for the digital marketing and advertising ecosystem, administers the Transparency and Consent Framework, TCF. IAB Europe facilitates compliance with privacy regulations, such as the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and the e-Privacy Directive, by providing a unified framework that manages user consent for data processing and digital advertising across Europe. MarkApp's role and activities. MarkApp Media Ltd specializes in providing innovative ad tech solutions, operating its own advanced ad exchange platform. The company maintains direct relationships with publishers and advertisers, in addition to strategic partnerships with leading demand-side platforms, DSPs, and supply-side platforms, SSPs. MarkApp delivers targeted advertising across web environments, mobile applications, and connected TV, CTV channels, significantly enhancing advertising efficiency and effectiveness. The IAB Europe Transparency and Consent Framework is designed to standardize data privacy compliance within the digital advertising industry, focusing on clear user consent and transparency in personal data handling. It provides a robust mechanism enabling digital publishers, advertisers, and technology providers to operate transparently, comply with regulations, and build user trust. Importance and benefits of vendor registration. Being successfully vetted and registered as an IAB TCF vendor signifies that MarkApp Media Ltd meets rigorous compliance standards for data privacy and transparency. This prestigious recognition provides multiple strategic advantages: enhanced trust and credibility, strengthens confidence among advertisers, publishers, and end users regarding MarkApp's commitment to privacy and ethical data management. Compliance assurance ensures seamless adherence to GDPR and privacy regulations, significantly reducing compliance-related risks. Broader market access facilitates smoother integration with partners across Europe who require TCF compliance, expanding business opportunities. Operational excellence demonstrates MarkApp's commitment to aligning with industry-leading standards, showcasing operational maturity and reliability in data governance. MarkApp's successful registration underscores its dedication to responsible data use, enhancing trust and driving the future of privacy-centric digital advertising.